The niche I'm about to show you today is insane. And the best thing is that anyone can do this without spending a single dollar with free tools. If you take a look at this channel, it's only 4 months old, and they have around 70,000 subscribers. And this is another similar channel. It's only 1 month old, and they have gained 60,000 subscribers with just 19 videos. So clearly, this niche is working. What I'm going to do today is I'm not just going to show you how to start a channel like this. Instead, I'm going to start a channel under this niche myself without spending a single dollar. And I'm going to post videos for the next 30 days. Those who are going to accept this challenge, drop a comment and let's do this together. And there are no sponsored AI tools in this video. So yeah, this is literally free. I'm going to break down this process into 4 main steps: branding, content creation, thumbnails, and uploading process. And I want you to pay attention to all these 4 parts because there are some small tips and hacks I'm going to show you that we need to follow under each of these sections. And those small changes are going to make a huge impact on your videos later. This is not rocket science, but for that reason, a lot of new creators completely ignore this part. And that's why they keep failing. You might be one of those people. So, listen carefully. Let's do a little activity. From these 2 channels, I want you to think, which channel looks more professional, attractive, and unique? It's probably this one, right? These 2 channels are under the same niche. This one has 291 videos, but it only has 384 subscribers. One of the main visible differences in these 2 channels is that this channel has amazing branding, and this one doesn't. So, what I need you to do is select 1 or 2 colors, and these are going to be your brand colors. And when you are creating logos, banners, and thumbnails, I want you to only use those colors. I know it's a simple thing, but if you look at all the successful channels under this niche, they exactly follow this method. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to give the most eye-catching color combinations according to psychology. And now, you have several options. So now, it's up to you. I'm going to go with black and red. Don't copy my color, guys. No, I'm just kidding. You can use it as well. But do some research about your competitors and avoid using their theme colors because your channel needs to be unique. I have created this document with all the prompts you will need. I'm not going to go through them one by one. You can use these to generate names, descriptions, and necessary channel tags. Do you know why you all are getting 0 views after you upload? It's because the YouTube algorithm thinks that you guys are bots. If your channel is fresh and new, don't upload videos for at least 2 weeks. The reason why YouTube does this is that as soon as you create your channel, the algorithm doesn't have enough data about you, so it considers your channel as spam or a bot. That's why you need to warm up your channel. You don't need to put your channel in the microwave. It means to act as a human. Watch some videos, like them, and comment on them. You can do it right now by leaving a comment under this video. Just tell me where you are from. So if your channel is new, make sure to warm up your channel for at least 2 weeks. Now, this is my channel. I'm not going to reveal its name because I want to get organic views. I added a description, tags, and even verified the phone number. The logo and the banner I have used are very simple text-based designs. Content creation is the most important thing. We need to focus on 3 main things: viral video ideas, killer script, and perfect visuals. All these 3 points are equally important to get views. One of the tricks that you can use to boost your views and get more attention as a new creator is to talk about already viral topics. Now, how to find those viral topics? Just by sneaking into your competitors and filtering which videos are getting more views. Is it unethical? Absolutely not. We are just looking for viral topics. If you copy their entire video, then that's unethical and copyright infringement. So, don't ever copy someone else's video. But you can talk about the same topic with your own unique script. That's not copying. Once you've found several viral topics, the next step is to create a killer script. Now, if you just go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a YouTube script for your video ideas, it will give you a basic script that is literally garbage.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something a lot of us think about,
but never actually say out loud.
I mean, honestly, ChatGPT is an AI tool. It's not a human, so it can't think and make your script more creative. You have to show it the correct path, and then it can create a killer script. I'm going to give you a formula. With the help of this formula and ChatGPT, we can make a killer script. The most important part of your script is the first 30 seconds. It's like a sales pitch. You must convince the viewer to watch your video till the end. If not, the viewer will leave your video, and that's going to result in low retention. When that happens, YouTube stops recommending your videos to new audiences, which is why you are stuck at around 20 views. I studied hundreds of videos and made this formula based on that information. I'm not going to explain this formula. I'm planning to make a separate video about this topic. For now, you just need to copy this formula and feed it to ChatGPT, and then ask it to generate a script for your topic according to this formula. When you compare this script with the previous one, you can clearly see the difference. It starts with,
Here's a psychology fact you're not ready for. Most people don't post videos on social media, not because they're shy, but because their ego is terrified of being exposed.
that hits right into your brain, doesn't it? That's why you need to use this formula. And I think this script is perfect, but it's too short. I'm going to ask it to make it a little bit longer, around 4 minutes. And with that, we have a script! Yay! As for the voice generation, I'm going to use DupDub AI because it has a free trial period, so you don't have to pay for it. This AI has a lot of useful features, but for now, we only need the AI voice feature. So, let's go to it. The first thing is to find a perfect AI voice. I'm going to go to this More Voice option. Let's use these filters because they have more than 100 AI voices for different niches. I'm going to select English language with American accent and male as the gender. Let's keep these other filters as it is now. And from this side, we can select our niche. Our niche is psychology, so let's try the motivational category and check several voices.
Many years ago lived an emperor who thought so much of new clothes that he
Greatness. It's just something we made up. Somehow, we've come to believe that
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl.
Once upon a time in a small village.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl. She was known for her kindness and love for animals.
Okay, this one is perfect, so I'm going to go with it. Now, the next step is simple. Copy your script part by part and click this icon to generate a voiceover.
Here's a psychology fact you're not ready for. Most people don't post videos on social media, not because they're shy, but because their ego is terrified of being exposed. Psychologists call this evaluation anxiety.
That's perfect. Now, you can use these features to make your voice more interesting by adding pauses and emphasizing the words. Once everything is done, click the Export button and download the MP3 files. If you check these videos, they are using simple icons and stick figures as the visuals. What you need is a free video editor like CapCut and create some of these icons. It's actually easier than you think. There are several free websites that you can use to download such icons. Flaticon.com is one of those websites where you can download any image in the same style. Another website is Vecteezy and FreePic. So, go to these websites and download suitable icons and images for your video. For the sound effects and background music, you can use Pixabay and the YouTube audio library. Both of these websites are free. And for the editing, you can use CapCut. You don't need their paid version to create a video for this niche. The free version is more than enough. And this process is really simple. All you need to do is add those icons and suitable video clips to the timeline and match those with the video script. Anyone can do this process, like you don't need to be a video editor to make these videos. You can also add these sliding animations to these icons, but make sure to only use the free versions. Also, add captions to your video. Go to this text option, and here you can generate captions automatically. Yeah, just like this, you can easily complete your video with CapCut free version.
Here's a psychology fact you're not ready for. Most people don't post videos on social media, not because they're shy, but because their ego is terrified of being exposed. Psychologists call this evaluation anxiety. And once you understand it, you'll see why so many people scroll for hours but never click record.
Okay guys, now for this process, you can use the Canva free version. Go to your Canva account and click this Custom Size option. Width should be 1920 pixels, and height should be 1080 pixels. Okay, remember what I said earlier. You need to only use your brand colors. So, I'm going to change the background color to black. And let's add some graphics. So, go to Elements, and I'm going to search for Brain. And select this Graphics tab to get Vector Arts. Now, the icons that have this crown icon are only available for paid users, so let's avoid those. Okay, this one is free. Now, I need to change its color to red, and I'm going to place it around this corner. Okay, now I'm going to search for some social media icons, because this video is about social media and psychology. Okay, I think this is enough. And I'm going to add a text layer as well. And when you are selecting a font style for the text, make sure to use only free versions. And let's change this second text layer to something different. So let's go to this effects feature, and I'm going to use this background box effect. And you can edit its attributes and make it look nice. Okay, this is perfect. So that's how you can create a thumbnail for 100% free. When you are uploading the video, always rename the video file similar to your title or add as much as keywords to it, because the YouTube algorithm will use that metadata. Now, this title looks kind of boring. We need something that can grab the viewer's attention. So, I'm going to go to ChatGPT and ask it to give me 10 attention-grabbing title ideas for this video. And we have some cool title ideas. I think this one is the best from this list. Let's use it. And then, I'm going to ask it to generate an SEO-optimized description for this video with all the suitable and viral keywords. Looks like we have a good description and keywords, so let's copy this to our video. And now, you need to make sure to select this option, which says, "It's not made for kids." And also select "No" for this altered content option. Then, go to these tags and copy all the keywords we just generated to this. And that's all. So today we covered everything, and I hope you enjoy this video. And not just that, I hope you learned some valuable information from this video. I wish you the best of luck. See you in the next video.